So hi guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Singapore. From Malaysia, diretso kami rito. So, ang alam ni Sarina mag-stay lang kami rito. Tapos, nandala kami sa Universal. Hindi niya alam, surprise namin sa kanya para sa birthday niya. Nag-book kami ng Disney Cruise. So, mag-stay muna kami mga 2 araw dito sa Singapore. And then magdadak na kami, 5 days kami sa cruise. Miss sulit na sulit. I'm sure enjoy na enjoy siya dahil Disney to. Surprise for Sarina.
Our first cruise.
First cruise.
Ever.
Heaven to kay Sarina. Kaya I'm sure tuwang-tuwa to pag nalaman niya.
May nakita kami ni Jong.
Salubungin mo yan.
What's that, Sari? Ka nainis nung pinakita ni Daddy sa'yo.
I want to explore the inside of the cruise.
You wanna be able to go there? Maybe in your next birthday we can go there, right? But you're happy, right? Because mommy...
I turn 6.
Yeah. We're ready to go home. So excited to see everyone in the Philippines. Who do you miss in the Philippines?
My family and my cousins.
What?
Why?
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because I saw that.
What?
What's that?
What is that?
Disney Cruise.
Huh?
Huh?
The Disney Cruise.
What is it?
What?
It's a ship.
Yeah, it's a ship.
Yeah. And
Wala lang.
Thank you.
so much.
Where's the airplane, Pangs? Tara na. Where's the airplane? Excited to go home to the Philippines. Ayan na yung airport. Like, ano ba nangyayari? Naguguluhan na siya. Okay, checking in for the airplane. Sabi ni ate, welcome to the Disney Cruise Adventure. Tulala si Shari kasi naguguluhan na siya. Yung adventure doon, dito tayo sa airplane.
Mali tayo.
Sa? Mali.
Mali.
Mali tayo sa bakit? Bakit mali?
Kasi hindi to airplane.
Hindi ano?
Hindi to airplane.
Hindi to airplane.
What?
Mickey Mouse.
What's that?
Mickey Mouse.
Yes, Serena. This is our surprise. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What? Why are you so excited?
The practice we're going to the airplane.
Pero saan pala?
Disney Adventure.
She's so happy. Aray.
Hey.
What's happening? We're in Disney Adventure Cruise. First, I didn't know. It was a surprise. I'm wearing blue because see.
Super bilis ng maleta namin, guys. Andito na agad. We just entered the ship and went straight to our room and our maleta is here na. Here's your card! Wow!
Open.
Open, open.
Serena.
Sa Serena Hilario? Wash, wash. Wow! Wow! Wait lang. Are you happy?
Spider-Man.
Ang ganda! So nice, our room. It's the ocean view. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Sorry, natatakot ako. Oh gosh, Lula. Sarina! You're making mama nervous.
Wag mo, videoan like this.
Baka
Baka natapon yung cellphone mo. Wala ka ng cellphone.
Okay, let's go.
It's now 3:15. We just finished registering Sarina here at the Kids Club. Sarina's Disney Band. This is for the Kids Club. So when you wanna play a game,
You tap it.
you tap. And also, that's how they track the kids inside. Kasi bawal ang parents. But there are times na pwede kasama parents. But usually, you have to leave them there by themselves. Master drill. Safety drill.
Real.
Which will start at 4 p.m. So, it's 3:45. Preparing na sila sa safety drill. So, every before the ship leaves, may ganito sila for safety. Na everybody has to attend.
Para alam na kung ano gagawin.
So, sinasara nila lahat. Lahat ng mga activities para lahat pumunta dito. Okay, safety briefing. That's the sound of the alarm. Okay, so we're here at the famous photo spot. Okay? Nag-perform. Oh. So, we're currently moving already. We just left the port.
5 p.m. and the boat is moving and it's starting to cruise.
He's excited. She's
So
so
slow.
excited.
Belt securely fastened.
Where's
Beams and
Groot?
branches
Hi,
inside the beam.
Groot.
And watch your little
You're so brave.
We want
How much?
$18.
18. Apple
One
juice?
apple juice?
You want?
Okay.
Unang budol ni Sari. We're here at the garden something. Sarina is ordering beer. Ay, ano yung order mo?
Apple.
Apple juice. Si Daddy pala yung magbe-beer. Look at our background, guys. So beautiful.
My cup is hey hey.
Hi.
Sarina, how are you?
Hey. We're gonna get boba. Ursula. Oh no, we're gonna drink Ursula's potion. Hello! Okay, we're gonna try Ohana Grill burgers. What?
Ito my favorite music.
Dito bang favorite music?
Hawaiian roller coaster ride, yeah. Ha? So, yeah. So, ang Ohana Grill libre.
Dito na tayo umupo.
You don't have to pay for anything. So, we got burger and bratwurst here at Ohana Grill. And there they have unlimited drinks. Magsawa ka. Free din yan lahat. Even this is free. Bratwurst with kimchi. Sarap. Totoo. Masarap yung bread ko. Ha?
Sure.
Sure. Kinalahati. Oh my goodness. Kalbo na yung bread ko. Ha? Hindi ko pa nakakagatan yung burger ko eh. In fairness guys, ang sarap ng Angus burger. So, oh my gosh, look at all the decoration. Oh! Oh, look at this with lights. Fairy lights. See, inuna na talaga nila yung mga decoration. We need to decorate. Kabog. Ay, wow, ang cute with lights. The theme of Sarina's door is tangled. Let's go. We're almost done with our room.
Leia Salonga.
Our door pala. Sarina. Happy birthday, Sarina.
Ang busit na
Thank you.
Thank you.
Patingin. Oh, thank you, Kuya. Wow. So we're done decorating our door.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have dinner. Our first dinner is at the Animator's Table. For-
It's a special restaurant.
Yes, it's a special restaurant. It's
Because
gonna be
my
a fun one.
clothes is-
Animator's
my God.
Sir.
Pogi ni sir. Ako ng bulsa, tsaka wala sa labas.
Yes.
Makita natin.
Stay within the blue line, Sarina, okay? Wow, look at Sarina's drawing. What are you eating?
Salmon.
Show started! Ito sa akin, ito sa akin. Sa'yo yun, kanina. Ayan. Ito kay Jong. Ito kay Jong. Ito nga. Ayan sa akin. Ito sa akin. Ito sa akin. Yay! There's our names. Maia, Sarina, and Jong.
Make a magic.
Oh, may magic si Sir Ross. Tumatalon. It's alive.
Sorry. See this?
Tumayo. Umabot ka sa kabilang table, oh. Bye, Sari. enjoy ang bata. Ayun siya. We tried to leave Sarina because she wanted to go to the Oceaneers Club. She was having fun for a few minutes. Then she suddenly cried and looked for mommy and daddy. Why did you cry? You will miss mommy and daddy? When you looked back and you didn't see us, doon ka naiyak eh, no? Huh? We'll try again tomorrow, okay?
I'm gonna cry again tomorrow.
Okay, no more na. World of Disney Store. Hello. Sorry, wait for us.
It's definitely come with Disney.
Sarina. Si Sarina nagkunwaring statue. Ano ba to? Nag-wave na yung mga tao sa kanya. Hindi na gumagalaw. Anong trip ni Sari? Sarina, gulat kami. Biglang nawala eh. Niloloko niya yung mga tao. Disney Adventure. Pila na si Daddy. Yan, pumila sa... Okay. Meron.
It's my first time here. They always say, "Welcome aboard!" So excited to go back to the room. Guys, I think they have a surprise for me. The bed!
Huh? They fixed your bed and made a frozen bed for you, Sari.
Frozen bed!
You can request for them to change the sheets. There's Sarina's bed. It's like a double bed, no? And this is a king... And this is a king-size bed. Guys, 12 a.m. na. Nag-aaya pa mag-decorate ng door. Hindi pa siya tapos. Oh my gosh, Sarina. Someone put again. From room 13579.
Do you have this?
No, not tonight. Where? Check muna if there are others. Wala na?
Wala na.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Ready na si Elsa.
Hi, guys. Oh!
Oh, all you need is... Oh, that's so cute. Someone put this. All you need is faith, trust, and a little pixie dust. Oh, wow. There's new mail for Sarina. Sari, did you see?
Oh,
Which
there's another
Sari, look,
one.
did you see we changed the decoration last night? See? There's more. I love our room. It's so cute.
There's some more.
That's some more. I'll leave it in the room. Oh, we have that. You have that, diba?
Hi, Shockwave. Listen to the sound it makes. Beautiful.
At Yupita and fries. How was the show?
Good.
Good.
It's finished.
Finished now.
You know that
That
it's about ocean
it's about the ocean
and with the boat.
with the boat. So we're here at Cosmic Kebabs because we woke up late, so hindi kami nakapag-breakfast. Diretso kami sa show. So this is brunch. Shawarma and fries. So itong restaurant na to ay libre din lahat. Only. You can get anything you like. letters for Serena. Messages. See? Look po, dami na nagbigay ng letters. Look at this. When you get back to the room, peace and quiet. So much things are going on around the big ship. So now we're going to the Walt Disney Theater. Hindi ka maliligaw kasi they have this. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 elevators. Wow. So we're going to Walt Disney Theater. Sorry, 13 elevators daw, sabi ni Joe. The show we're gonna watch is at 2 p.m. but they want you to be there by 1:30 p.m. So it's almost 1. Pipila na kami. So we can get good seats. So almost an hour before the show. Bibigay si Sarina ng sticker. Thank you. Welcome. So sweet, sorry. She's giving away stickers to everybody. O, diba? Wala pang katao-tao. Gusto mo ba na unahang-unahan tayo? O, 1 hour before the show. Pila agad. First in line. Haba na ng pila hanggang dulo.
Remind you that if your family over.
What's the show?
God!
It's so nice.
What adventure!
What was your favorite part?
Elsa!
Bawal i-video. So, ayan lang. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Nakakaiyak. You have like that na, di ba? Yes, you do. We're here at the Duffy and Friends shop. Pizza time.
Let's go!
Pizza Planet. Only pizza, only ice cream for everyone. Ito na naman yung bit-bit mo, girl. What's that? What if mommy and daddy will do the roller coaster? Are you coming with us there, up there? No? Why? Ano gagawin mo dito?
Magbabantay lang.
Nang?
Tapos iiyak ako.
Magbabati ka ng gamit?
Then, abantay ako sa inyo. Kasi wala akong kasama.
Uy! Sarina, be careful! Wow! Ayun na! Ayun na!
Oh no!
Go, Sari! Wow! Mickey and Minnie's Captain's Deck. Grabe, punong-puno. Wow!
Dami pa?
Grabe talaga. Sarina, look, can you read what it says?
Can we take photo? I'm your number 1 fan.
Aww! Look at all the things they gave you. Cheers to me and Daddy.
Look.
Baka makatama ka pa.
Juan, are you ready? Fireworks? Hindi naman itong tatama.
Cover your face, Sarina. Oh, di ba?
Yay! Let's cheers!
Di ba tumalsik?
It's cheers, Harry. Cheers, Sarina.
Papaluan kitang dalawa.
Cheers
Cheers.
for everything we've been through with Sarina.
Yeah! Congratulations!
Congratulations! Me and Daddy. Gagalit na siya.
The cold nerve.
Eh?
Oh!
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my God, so beautiful.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cute. Oh, diba?
Thank you so much, Goofy.
Our second night here at Enchanted Garden. Spaghetti.
Bolognese.
Bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Something. My wife said give it to Sari.
Aww! Sir Ras, gusto mo batiin asawa mo?
Hi, Tart. Andito na. Sinasabi ko na. Proud Disney. Waiter. And a PA ka, Mr. John Hilario. Sampol King. Hi, Ate Brianna. Sarina. Hi. Hindi makulangan. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
It's my pleasure. Karangalan po.
The best ka, the best. Kumakain ng soma yung anak ko.
Yes. Sarap.
Daw.
Aww, thank you. She wrote, I love you.
you, Mommy and Daddy. I love you guys forever so much.
So much. Grabe naman yung so much, pumikit pa. O, di ba si Sir Anthony pa nagbuhat ng stroller? Sarina. Sir Anthony!
See you.
So nice. Every time we come back to the room, there's always something unbelievable. Tomorrow, ha? Tomorrow yan.
What is it?
I haven't seen it, but it's for tomorrow because it's super late na. Good morning, guys. It's day 3. Yesterday, we weren't able to have breakfast because we always wake up late. So today, since we're gonna have a busy day, we ordered room service. And that's free, guys. Good morning, guys.
Saturday.
And we're rushing to our surprise for Serena.
Okay, let's go.
Everyone wearing dark blue except this girl. Because she's the princess. Hello, Princess Serena. Cinderella. Huh? I don't know with you. What?
Where's your shoes?
Royal King, can I have your royal autograph right here for me?
Royal King.
Of course, she becomes princess? Yeah.
The Royal
Queen.
The Royal Sample King. The Royal Sample King.
I'm gonna be your very good therapist today, okay? Are you excited to be a princess? Give me a high five first.
Fairy godmother.
Which one you wanna choose?
Yes, that's what I like also.
Okay, I'm
Nice one. What did you say, Sari? What were you telling ate? Huh? What?
I thought we're going to Philippines na pero Disney cruise time!
If you can fly, where do you wanna go?
The city.
Which city? Which city? Brown. One more? Maybe pink? Make a super big wish, okay? Because only one. And then close your eyes. Baby, go! You can open your eyes now. Royal family, I present to you the New Year's princess of Disney Adventure.
Wow.
Princess Sarina.
Yeah!
Give it a big smile.
That's your other surprise. It's Sarina's first time to do the signing of autographs, the tradition.
Can I give you a hug?
Oh. Princess Jasmine. Yes, yes.
Beautiful today.
Aww. Yes. Aww.
Hi. Oy,
Oh, flying kiss.
Harry.
Flying kiss si Pluto.
You are so very beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful, Serena. I love your videos.
Masarap na food.
This is by far my favorite. Aside from the burgers, sobrang sarap buttered chicken in this. So this is where we ate Mowgli's Eatery. Okay, thank you. Pino.
yeah! Philippines! Yes!
Oh my. Oh, this may message. Look, oh, happy birthday. God bless you. Have a wonderful trip.
So hi guys, this is the sleepy man. Come join me. This is the sleepy man. Pagod yarn.
Now we're here at the Hollywood Spotlight Club. We're gonna have tea with the princesses. Wow! Oh, there's a surprise for you! Oh, that's a stage.
Just for all of you!
Yay! So excited.
They're ready.
Huh?
They're ready.
Oh, they're ready.
A warm welcome to your hosts, Lady Rose and Lord Earl!
Sari. Mint. Thank you. Wow, look at that.
Made my wonderful friends.
Guys, Serena is now a proud member of the Royal Society for Friendship and Tea. Aww. Say hi.
Di siya kumawala. Ayaw kumansin.
Oh, Serena's favorite.
Pansin ako.
What?
Pansin ako.
I'm gonna use that one later.
Say thank you.
Oh, a big hug for Pluto. Aww. So sweet, Carlo. Yeah, and then let's put one. There you go, buddy. Now he's able to sign his name.
Thank you, Pluto. Say thank you. Ah.
Oh, and a big hug.
Finally, nagnap na si Sari. For the first time in 3 days. Ngayon na siya nagnap ng hapon. Usually, hindi yan nagnanap kasi ang daming ginagawa. Nagnap na siya. So, magsaspa muna kami. We wish. Dito. Pangs. Ikot muna. Time check, it's 4:45 p.m. We're already here lining up to the Remember Me show. Ito yung talagang sinasabi nila, sobrang ganda. Ayan, may mga iba na rin nakapila doon. Currently, we are the second in line. Grabe yung dedication namin talaga sa mga show. Yesterday, pang-una kami sa pila. Ngayon, pangalawa kami sa pila so we can get good seats. It's 4:45, so 1 hour and 15 minutes before the show. The show is 6 p.m. So, we like getting an aisle seat because there's interaction with the performers and they'll pass by here. Ayan yung aisle and also behind us. So, this is the perfect seat. And it's not too near and not far. We don't like too near, so we don't like looking up. So nice.
Hey, that's nice.
World class.
Yay! Serena cried because she's so touched.
No spoilers, pero umiyak si Serena, guys.
No?
She was so touched.
let's go.
It was so nice.
Because the song.
The song. But it's the best show, yep.
So, nag-take out kami para meron kami merienda sa room.
Sarap ng Angus burger. See if Serena got some stuff.
So many.
Oh my goodness. Umaapaw. Dami. Oh, bring the whole bag. Get the whole bag and we'll open it in the room. It's 30 minutes na lang. Dinner time na.
Okay. Just want to know. Why did you cry in the show?
Because I was looking for it and the song of Coco is so lungkot.
Why were you looking for Daddy?
Because I want him to see Aladdin.
Why? Where did Daddy go?
I.
Song. Why?
Umiyak din ako kasi nakakalungkot eh.
Dahil dyan, ang sarap-sarap talaga ng burger ng Ohana Grill.
You have to try this, guys. Only here in Disney Cruise, Singapore.
Adventure.
Adventure.
Hindi ko alam paano kami kakain mamaya sa dinner. Guys, grabe pala ang cruise. Siyempre, first time namin. Overflowing ang food and drinks. Grabe, ikaw nasusuko.
Sign of the cruise ka.
Lord, thank you.
Why?
I had fun here.
Aww.
Did you cry?
Inside.
Your heart cried?
No.
Mm-hmm.
You know where I cry?
No. Why?
My eyes.
Yeah, I can see. No. Eyes and mouth.
My eyes and mouth.
Your mouth is
Kakatuwa na talagang ang daming families pinaghandaan talaga nila yung cruise. When you come prepared. See? Look at that. Amazing.
So,
Yan, this one, look, oh, talagang effort. Effort talaga yan. Thank you. Like, most of them are Filipinos pa.
I don't like candy.
Salamat po. Nakaka-proud ang
I said
mga
that.
nag-prepare talaga, oh.
So we're going here again. Dinner.
Lobster salad. Thank you.
No one makes tonight special.
Mickey! Hi! Pangs yung autograph.
One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sally. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Wow! Wow!
Happy birthday, Sally.
Yay! Let's go, Bambang! Hooray! Galing mo, Bambang! Wow! Thank you! Thank you! Happy birthday, Sari! Binigyan niya ng life yung friend niya. Aww, Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Bambang. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
And now, a toast to all of you.
Happy birthday in April 17.
Hi guys, it's our last day today. So Sarina tulog pa. Ready na kasi meron akong mga shows na pupuntahan. At least makompleta namin mga nakapareserve. So, maximize namin para. Ayan na, gising na siya.
Umiiyak na.
So yes, after 4 days, ngayon lang kami nakapag-breakfast dito sa Disney Adventure. Thank you. Salamat.
So you're making churros. Sneaky churros. Hello. Thank you po. Sari, are you excited to see Minnie?
Oh, you got little Ariel here, Minnie. Oh, cute. Lovely. Oh, that's There you go. Watch me now.
Aww. Thank you, Minnie. Aww. Sali daw sila. Wow! Ang galing. Wow. Champion na talaga yan. Ikaw lang nakadalawa dito, Pangs. We're gonna meet Baymax here. So this is the area for the teens, pre-teens, you know, the cool kids. Baymax Cinemas. So they have 4 cinemas, guys. Wow, look, see, guys. Laro muna sila ni Daddy while Mommy waits for Baymax. Arcade time naman sila. Arcade.
I am Baymax.
Hi, Baymax! Hello!
You have done this before. Welcome to our shop. The tiny workstation is Wasabi. The message...
Okay, so we are back at our room. Dalawa lang. Last day na kasi naubos na lahat ng pixie dust eh. Yung ano natin, yung pamigay nating sticker?
Yes.
Oh, dalawa na natira. Nakuha na ng mga bata.
Last day na.
Oo, last day naubos na eh. Did anyone put in your bag? Did you check? Someone put the... Look, it's a Zootopia one. Punzel reveal. Yeah. Let's see. She hasn't seen herself in the mirror. She's so excited. Oh. Hi. Yes. It's pixie dust time for Sari. She's giving away.
Nagandahan ako dyan sa Beauty and the Beast.
Just put it in, yeah. This one.
I love the happy birthday. I love it.
Cute, no?
She or he. I don't. I love this. I super duper love this.
Okay.
This is my most favorite.
Wow. Amazing.
Look guys, it's finished. 50 pieces.
Dito talaga natutulog si Sari gabi-gabi. Yan po ang tulugan ni Sarina. We're looking for dolphins. Somebody saw dolphins yesterday. We saw her video. 2 big ones and 1 small one sa gitna. Nakita mo yung video, di ba, Pang? Cute nun. Grabe. Naglalambing ang bata. Oh. This is...
What ISIS mean?
It's expression.
Okay, we're gonna do another ride. Pim Quantum Racers.
Yeah. Let's go! Naunahan natin si Mami.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot, sorry. Pumipila na kami for the Avengers show. Sa unahan, later puno yan. Nag-host ng showtime siya dito.
Our show, our time, it's Disney Adventure!
Iron Man is officially on deck. Welcome to Stark Expo. Who's ready to see some technology that's going to blow their mind? Would you like to meet them? Yeah. All right, let's do this.
I just lost camera 6. Parker.
Yay! Sarina! Oh, thank you, Daisy! Kompleto na si Sari on our last day. Complete na! Complete na! Yay! Oh, so happy! Yay! The ship at night. We're gonna ride the Iron Cycle. Ay na si Daddy! Oh my gosh! Oh, Daddy!
Go, Pax! Sakay na siya. Do you think Mommy is gonna cry? Why? Because it's fast. Did you see me? Oh, it's so fast, no? Go, Pax!
Go, Mommy!
Whoa!
Go, Mommy! Go, Mommy!
I'm being scared. Yung una, free speed. Normal speed. Sa second lap, ikaw na magko-control ng bilis.
That's my brave girl! Like mom and dad! Sarina! Mabilis yan, di ba? Guys, ito yung silent disco. Oh, di ba? Walang music pero nagsasayawan sila. Hello! Ready na niya ipakita yung mga dance moves niya. So, it's time to remove all the decorations. Hila! 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 Guys, we just arrived. We're here in Singapore. Wow, surprise! They're here! They're gonna say goodbye to you, Sari. Our last minute room service before we leave the ship. So sad. Are you sad?
No.
No. Bagel and salmon. Pancakes.
We're back in Singapore. See you soon in the next cruise. Thank you for watching.
Sa lahat ng hardworking crew dito sa Disney Cruise, lalo na sa mga kapwa naming Pilipino. Saludo kami sa sakripisyo nyo para mapasaya ang napakaraming pamilya. Sana kahit papaano, sa sandaling nagkita tayo, naibsan namin kahit saglit ang pamumulila nyo sa tahanan at nakapagbigay kami ng konting saya. Hanggang sa muli.